So today I'm going to recommend 3 websites to download your fonts that will really help your designs and your videos. Now the first one is FontSpace. So this is FontSpace website. When it comes to FontSpace, there's a lot of fonts here that you can download. If you want the first one, you come here, this very icon, you click on it, download fonts, and it will automatically download. If you want this very one, you come, you click, to just automatically download. Now this website FontSpace, you can generate your own font. You come to font generator, you click on it. So here you can decide to type anything that you want. Then you can use it for your Instagram bio or Facebook messages. So which means that anything that you type will give you styles. Then you copy it and paste it on your Facebook timeline or Instagram timeline and use it as your font. So that's how this font generator works. So that's that. The second website that I recommend is the fonts, or some people will say the fonts. Now with this site, you can see we have a whole lot of categories here that you can choose from. So if you want the scripts or the calligraphy, you click calligraphy. So calligraphy style of fonts will appear for you to download. So if you want this very font, cream cake, you come here, you click on it, so it will automatically download for you. So any font at all, as a designer, you need to select the best of fonts for your design. Click, it will automatically download. Let's go to Square. So you can see we have a whole lot of them here. You can just click, then to download. Alright, now the third website that I recommend for you is 1001 Free Fonts. This website came a very long time ago. I was using it more than 10 years ago. It also has a lot of categories. So if you want the sans serif, you click on the sans serif. So the sans serif has no serif, has no extension. If you want this particular font, you click. So also automatically download. You don't need to sign in. You can download as many as you want from this website. So as a designer, you need this kind of fonts. Most of the fonts are new. They are current fonts. So you can easily use them for your designs, and your designs will be very, very interesting. Now these are the fonts that we just downloaded. Now for those who don't know how to install fonts on your machine, let's quickly go through. Now you come to your search bar, then you type fonts. The font's already there, so you type fonts. You click this, window 11, window 10, the same. Type font. The font bar will appear. So all the fonts on your machine will just appear here. So these are all the fonts on my machine or my computer. So these are the fonts that we just downloaded. So make sure you have WinRAR, an app called WinRAR on your machine to extract the files. So what you are going to do is that you have to double click on one of the fonts. Then this is the fonts that you are going to install on our machine. So what you are going to do is that you are going to select them. You select, then you drag. See, you drag and drop it into the font box or font bar. As you can see, it is installing. So let's install another one. Let's double click on this very one. So you select the font. So this is the font. How do you identify the fonts? You can see that it's written A. There's an icon A there. Means that this is the font. Or you see there's TTF. The TTF means that is the font. So you select them then you drag and drop. As you can see, the font is already installed on my machine, so you can just say no or replace. Yes, it will just replace for you. So that's that. Make sure you subscribe. I'm out.